Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find PayPal QR code. So let's get started. So to find that, you have to follow this easy step. So first you have to go open here your PayPal. Then you have to go into your payments and then click on request. And from here you can share the link and you can just copy this and you can go to QR code maker like this, QR code maker. Then you can go it here and upload and you can get a QR of your PayPal like this way. So you can sign in and it will be done. So this is how to find the QR on PayPal. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.